The lighting. Good morning. I am currently listening to Celine Dion, I'm Alive, because yeah, it's just one of those mornings. I'm currently in the process of my morning routine where, you know, I clear all the surfaces, polish everything, and I'm getting ready to run a load in the dishwasher, and then move my way on over to that space, and then upstairs make all the beds, put a load in the washer, even though I don't really have anything to wash, but I'm just gonna put all the dirty stuff in the washer that's not white. That way tomorrow or this afternoon when the kids come home and they have their dirty uniforms and stuff, I can put that in the washer and just run a load today, because laundry is the devil. Like my girlfriend said, laundry is the devil, and I believe that. I believe laundry is the devil. But I'm slowly trying to stay on top of my house. I am. This house is going to be the death of me, trying to keep it clean and trying to ensure that my kids don't live in a dirty house. You know, it's like a borderline of child abuse, if you ask me. But that's what I'm slowly doing. I put out some stuff for fall. I didn't decorate for fall because I just haven't been in the mood. I've been in a funk. I've been in a really dark place, and slowly trying to get out of that without having to need any kind of, you know, help doing that. I want to be able to do that on my own. So I'm putting out content now. A lot of it has to do with cleaning, because I find that when my home is clean, I feel a little better. So that's what I'm trying to do. But I also don't want to neglect the vlogs, like, you know what I mean? I don't want to do that. I slowly want to get back into it, you know, share. That's what I do. I love to share, and sometimes I cross the line of, you know, maybe sharing too much or not enough or whatever. I just, one day I will get there and I'll be, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but anyways, that's what I'm doing currently. I took chicken out for dinner. We're gonna probably put it in the oven, or Rob can come home and put it on the grill, whatever, it doesn't matter. But dinner's out. Today is Thursday, so it's my last day to cook. So yeah, but I figured I'll pick the camera up and vlog a little bit, a day in my life. I don't know how far that's gonna go or gonna get, because I tend to forget that I'm vlogging. And yeah, so I want to go out to the stores today, and I don't know, just look around for Christmas, get some ideas for Christmas, how I want to decorate for Christmas and stuff like that. That's what I want to do, because I have to do a Christmas decor haul. I love Christmas. I really do. Not that I need anything. I don't think I need anything, but you know, you never know. But how are you guys doing? How everyone been? Like, I miss a lot of you guys, you know, interacting with you guys. I'm into cleaning now, and a lot of you are not into cleaning. You're not here to see me clean, so I understand, but I do miss a lot of you, interacting with you guys, and I miss that, you know. Moving here sucked the life out of me. It sucked the living life out of me. It's going on 4 years, and I'm still not settled in. I'm still hurt, upset, just so much, you know. But I'm a strong believer that, you know, everything happens in life for a reason, and I needed this. I needed it, if that makes any sense. I needed for this to happen, for me to grow, and you know, it's crazy. But yeah, but anyways, that's not why I'm here. Let me get back to doing what I'm doing, and I'll come back to y'all in a little bit. I need coffee. I need coffee.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind. 'Cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind. 'Cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the way.
I'm burning my candle. This is the, I think it's just called Arvis or something. It smells so good. That's the one I was burning this summer. That's the one I was burning this summer. This is my candle for fall. I usually don't burn my candles, but I figured why not, you know what I mean? Why not? Anyways, I feel like I've wasted way too much time downstairs. It's taken me 1 hour just to do the basic, the bare minimum, just 1 hour just to clean up the kitchen. Because usually in the evenings I'll have the kids do dishes and stuff, but yesterday we had like a really late evening and just I wasn't feeling the greatest, so I just was like, whatever, just leave everything where it's at and I'll deal with it tomorrow. And that's what I did. So I would do more in the kitchen right now, but I find that that would take the entire day because I would be focused on deep cleaning, and that's not the goal right now. The goal is to get everything done, everything straightened up, faced, basically. Just to face the house, just in case anyone should come here, which no one ever comes to my home. No one ever visit unless, you know, I invite them. So no one ever pops up at my house unexpectedly. No one comes to my house, so I don't have to worry about that. But for me and my family, I love for my husband to come home to a clean house. I just feel like that's just, you know what I mean? To come home to chaos is like a slap in the face, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing. I have to go tend to the living room. Maddie made a mess over there. Yeah, Maddie made a mess over there, and I have to go clean that up. But I have to go make the beds because I feel like after 10 o'clock, my bed should have been made. So I'm gonna go upstairs, make my bed, and then I also have to vacuum upstairs, and then put a load in the washer. Well, there's nothing to put in the washer, but put all the dirty stuff that I can find. Like, I just changed Maddie this morning, so I'm just gonna toss her PJs, even though she could wear the same PJ again tonight, but I like to put fresh PJs on her. I don't know. And then I have her clothes right there that I have to put up that I did yesterday. I shouldn't be this out of breath, but I am. I spent the entire day yesterday doing laundry, finishing up their bedding, because the laundry video that you guys saw, I shouldn't be this out of breath, but the laundry video you guys saw the other day, I didn't get to finish everything. So I spent the entire day yesterday. Oh, there's wet clothes. Okay, all right, then we need to tackle that. I thought I had put everything in the dryer yesterday, but I guess not. Okay. I would open up my blinds, but I'm not in the mood, so sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna make my bed.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
Okay, garbage people are here. I need to go get the bins from in front of the house. I need to wash them this week, but bare minimum, bare minimum. Now I gotta clean up this mess. Table's not so bad, and then vacuum. I think I'm gonna do that last, but I need coffee. Yeah, you guys are gonna have me choose my mug for the day. Mug of the day. I need to be gentle with myself today, so hold on. Let's pick a mug, all right? We're gonna pick a mug together. Between this guy, because I need all the love I can get today. And this one, Serenity, I need it. So I used the heart one the other day, so I used that the other day. it's bad, so I'm gonna use this one today. Kids are doing good. Destiny and Jackson is doing amazing in school. Maddie, they're asking if I can add another day because she only goes to school 2 days out the week because that's all your girl can afford. Because preschool is expensive. It's more than the other kids' tuition because you're paying for after school care, and I don't need that. You're paying for before and after school care, and I don't need that. It's included in the tuition. So, and it's not mandatory. Kindergarten is, but preschool, pre-K is not mandatory. So her teacher is like, she's struggling. It'd be nice if you add another day. So I'm thinking about doing that. So I don't think I'm gonna go out today. I am just not in the mood for it. I'm not. I think it's getting ready to pop open. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it. I get so excited when this thing pops open. Hold on. I'm gonna come back when it. I think it's after 9 minutes or 10 minutes. If it's like 10 minutes to go, it pops open. So hopefully I can catch that for you guys. I'm a nerd. I am a nerd. I think it's getting ready to do it. Oh! Look, I got it on camera. This is the sanitized part. I love this dishwasher. This was on back order for the longest time, and I was so excited when I finally got my hands on it because I was just like, yes please, because it tells you how much minutes remaining and stuff. So I love things that are unique, you know what I mean? So yeah, my kitchen is complete. I got the refrigerator, as you guys know. That was free because Samsung couldn't figure out how to fix the drawer, so they gave me back my money. I paid full price for my microwave, and then the stove was discontinued and it was on clearance. But when I went to pick it up, they damaged the drawer on the bottom, so they took $500 off the $1,000 I paid for it. So I only paid like $4 something for it. And then this I paid full price because yeah, I couldn't wait for it to be on sale because it came back in stock like after almost a year of it being on back ordered. So I was just like, whatever, I'm not gonna wait on a sale, I'm just gonna grab it. So I'm happy. Kitchen's done. I did the island. I did shiplap on the island right there. I don't know if I showed you guys the shiplap, but I shiplapped it. And so kitchen is done except for this wall. I still have to do this wall and then paint the kitchen, and then I shiplap that end of the cabinet over there. Proud of myself. This kitchen is all me. I did the backsplash, I painted the cabinets, I did the flooring, I picked out the appliances, even my faux situation right here. Everything, including my light fixture, everything. I'm just so proud of what I've done with the kitchen, you know what I mean? Every time I go in there, it makes me happy. So yeah, guys, look who's home. Say hi, Leah. How was school? Look at her little, can't even get a good angle, guys. Look at her little uniform. How was it? How was your day? Did you had a good day? What happened? Come tell us all about it. Good. Oh, you brought home your laundry. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. That needs to go in the wash. Your blanket. She's still a baby. Still have a crib sheet and a blanket. This is how you know she's a baby, because she still takes nap at school. Huh?
On my backpack.
A rubber band?
Yeah,
Okay.
my backpack.
Okay.
Have it.
Whoop.
All
right. Yeah, you may have that. What else? What else is in that backpack? Just your change of clothes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop.
All right. So do me a favor. Get your stuff off my table. Put it back in your backpack. Wash your hands. Go to the bathroom. Wash your hands, and then come and I will get you a snack. Or you can finish your lunch.
I can put this whole bowl in there, or put it in a separate bowl.
Put it in a separate bowl because I don't want that to crack. Jordan, Jason, Albornoz. Jason, Albornoz. Ask your brother. I don't know anything about that. Look how tall they are, guys. I can't. Anyways, I went shopping and I didn't take you guys with me. So I'm gonna do just the food portion. I'm gonna take everything out the bag. Why are we arguing?
He's saying too bad you said.
Oh, Destiny, your name is on your uniform. I can't show you. How was school? Good?
But this is from the South.
You can't even share it.
Oh, I was supposed to sign your thing today.
You can't even share it. Look.
What is this?
I wrote it.
What is it?
From my presentation, what grade
Why
I
you
got.
couldn't give me?
Over an A+.
Why is it not focusing? Okay, let's see if this is a better thing. What is this? Got 3.75 out of 3. How did you do that? How did you do that? 125%.
Over here.
Overachiever? I don't care. I love it.
Good.
I love it.
Overachiever.
Over A+. A+.
No, I guess you're not over.
Congratulations, Destiny. Like, oh, is she so amazing? Like, I'm just blessed. There's nothing that I do why she's so great. It's,
Overachiever.
I don't care what she is. I love it. Good job, baby. You did a good job. Yes, baby.
These are from the
I was supposed to sign something for you today. You didn't remind me. Your teacher texted me and said there was something that needed to be signed. And you have a quiz next week.
I have an assessment.
Oh, you do? Okay. All right, so let me take out all the stuff that I picked up from Target. I got beach bathing suit because one of these bathing suits were $34.99 and it was like $10.59.
You need my phone.
If you ask me, that's a sale. Like, that is a sale, and that's amazing. Because this summer I need a bathing suit because I've lost so much weight that the bathing suits that I had before couldn't fit. Like, I mean, they fit, but it just wasn't flattering. So I need a bathing suit, and I wasn't willing to pay over $20 for a good bathing suit. So, I got mine. Can someone get her toilet paper, please? So, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up, and then get on with the day. Okay, so.
Sorry.
You know what? Please, if you have an attitude, keep it to yourself. Do not destroy my things.
No, it was too close to the thing here.
Anywho, so I picked this one up. I love the color and the style. I think it has a strap. This is pretty. I love this. I'm into one piece. This blue one, I fell in love with the color, and then the top is like that, and then it has a strap as well. So pretty. These are both mediums, and all my other suits are extra large, so that's a big size difference. So medium, hopefully they fit and I don't have to size down for next summer, because they are for next summer. And then I got this black one. I couldn't choose. And this one has it's one shoulder situation. And then it has this floral strap. So pretty. This one was, if it would focus, this one was $34.99. And I paid $10.49. This one right here was $39.99 and I paid $11.99. And then this one was $39.99 focus and I paid $11.99. Not bad. And then I got this top. I saw it and I fell in love. It was come on, focus. Come on. Why won't it focus for me? Okay. There it is. Okay. $5.39. Originally $17.99. And it's just this really pretty green color. And it sparkles. I got this in a large because they didn't have a medium. So I have boobs. So hopefully it fits properly. This one I am in love with it. It's a pants. It's a cover-up pants, and it has like this bow in the front. I'm gonna try these on so you guys can see it. Has this bow in the front. It was $22.99 and I paid $6.89 for it. And this is a size medium. It has the split in the leg, and I just love it. You know, with a black bathing suit under it. I think this will be pretty. Or if you go to the beach, you can just wear a regular undie under it, and just wear it as like a casual outfit for the day. You know what I mean? So that's that. And then I picked up this pumpkin. So cute. I had to have it. It was $5. I owned the bigger one to this one, but not caramel latte. It smells amazing. So okay, so from Walmart I got a pair of a pack of socks for Jackson. He loves these. This was $4.98, $5. So he loved these socks and he's gonna freak Jackson when I give these to him because he likes these. And then I picked up some vegetarian baked beans for dinner tonight. We're gonna have barbecue chicken in the oven. Well, it's actually jerk, but I put barbecue on it because the kids like that. So, and then we're gonna have bak chow for our veggie, and then I'm gonna make some rice, and that's for dinner. And then I got my favorite drink, you know, this is coconut pineapple, and then I got the strawberry watermelon, and then this one is the orange mango. I started out loving orange mango, but this one is all by my. Look, Gio, come here, baby. Look what I got you. Your favorite pack of socks. You're welcome. You're welcome. And then I didn't get you anything because I didn't think you needed anything. It was just Jackson. He needed socks. What do you need? What do you need? Come here. You need what? Blue socks? Okay. Well, next time I go to the store, I will pick you up blue socks, okay? You need help hanging up the towel in the bathroom? Ask your sister. Anyways. So, from HomeGoods, I got this tray because I've been on the hunt for a tray for this island so that I can put everything in there and it's not, you know, stuff everywhere. And this was $16.99. That way when I decorate the island, I can just pick up this entire situation and move it when I clean the quartz. And then you guys know I love candle. Love candle. This is sunflower and clover, and it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. This was if it would focus, $7.99 for that, and it smells amazing. So I probably gonna have to raise this up, and then I have flour, a book, and something else that's gonna go here. Maybe I could put this on here. Maybe. I'm on the hunt for something smaller for this. Maybe. I don't know yet. I just need to get. This is not how it's gonna be, but I'm just like saying, you know, that way I can just pick up the entire thing and move it. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna decorate this. Stay tuned for a video of me decorating this tray. Okay, so my kitchen is the only place. Hold on. Alright, so my kitchen is the only place where I get great lighting. And I wanted to show y'all these bathing suits. So let me back up for y'all. This is what the black one looked like. It has the tie, like it has the tie situation right here, and this is the fit up top. It's very secure. I don't feel like it's gonna fall. The only problem is the leg part of this is just the way it's cut. I don't want to show y'all too much because no, but the way it's cut, I feel like it cuts into my thighs and gives me like another roll, which that's not flattering. So let me try on the other ones and then show y'all. Okay guys, okay, so this is cute. I don't have a lot to put into the cup thingy, but when I put this on and pull it up, it should be a little more flattering. I still have my kangaroo pouch, like they like to say, but whatever. I can't turn around because it'll be too much chic for YouTube. It's just too much. But I just wanted to show y'all how flattering it is. I love the cut. I love this. And then once I put the strap on, it should be able to pull this into place. Hopefully I'm showing y'all properly and not too much, you know what I mean? Not too much. This one is a keeper. I love the color. I love the fit. It makes me feel so confident. Like, I love the way it sits on my body. It has a strap so I can pull it up more so this is not falling because I don't have anything to keep it up. So, oh my gosh, I love this one. I love this one. I'm gonna show y'all the cover up. I have one more piece and then I'm all done.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Okay, so this is the cover up, the white cover up, and then this is the top that I bought to go with it. It has the little thing here. Don't mind my rolls. Do not look at my rolls, okay? Don't do it. But I have to keep working at this. I don't know why I bought it because it creates so much rolls. Look at all the rolls it creates. Don't buy things that create rolls, okay? But by next summer I should be toned, okay? Yeah. So, yeah. That's my little try on haul for y'all. What, this camera? Maybe next year. Anyways, I'm gonna go get started on dinner and then get these kids situated for the evening. But if I don't come back, thank you guys so much for watching me today. It wasn't really a day in the life, but more of a peek into my life kind of situation. Thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting your girl. I really do appreciate it. If you're new here and you like my content, consider subscribing. To my returning subscribers, you know your girl love you. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.